What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin Renegades, and I'm in a good mood. Just got back from church, and I only made $120 some off of AMP today, but I did take profits. It went all the way to 6. I could have made like $1,000. Instead, I made 120. Oh well. But guess what I just bought, guys? This is my brand new investment. Internet computer price. And as you see, I spent about $1,106, $1,105, $1,106, and it's at $1,109. Who knows? But if you look at the month, it went to 57. But check this out. If you look at the year, it went up to, let's see, in the hundreds here, 200s here in April, and then May, it blasted off all the way up to $750. And 428 there, and we have been in the $40-50 range since then. This is a pretty low price for the average price of this coin, and I hope that I can make a massive profit. Let's see what this is a little bit about. We did look at this before, but I don't know if we went all the way into it, so let's see what this is about. Internet computers' basic idea is to create a new kind of decentralized internet and global computing system, with independent data centers all over the world joining together to create an alternative to cloud services, from companies like Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud, that power most of the current internet. The ICP token has several major uses. It acts as a governance token. Does that mean they're governors? Is rewarded by the networks to participating data centers for good behavior. Like, oh man, that sounds like, you get out on good behavior. And is used to pay transaction fees on the network. How it works. You can think of ICP as a way of converting crypto into processing power. That's kind of the same way that proof of stake works. The network will establish a fee based on the amount of computing power required by a developer's project. As long as the fee is paid, the website will run directly on the public internet. Keep in mind, a truly decentralized network who can be held accountable for hosting abusive content. Corporations running the internet today employ some degree of moderation, although the flip side is that they can also arbitrarily deplatform anyone at any time. Ideally, internet computer can use decentralized governance to create solutions to these tricky issues. Now let's go to the official website. Dfinityfoundation.org. Okay. So I do remember looking something about Dfinity. Hey, this is my kitchen. You guys have never seen my kitchen before. This is my kitchen. That's my air fryer. It's a Ninja. I'm cooking waffles right now. Chocolate chipped waffles. And I don't think they're chipped. Chocolate chip or chipped. I think they're called chocolate chip waffles. But some people call them chocolate chipped waffles. I don't think they're chipped. I think they're chipped. I know I said the same thing twice, but I knew what I meant. You knew what I knew what I meant. You know? Or don't you? I don't know. So no more scaling limits. It is like the blockchain. Oh no, it's the singularity. The singularity is here and it's called ICP. Start coding, operational. Oh man, look at all those terabytes of data. Block count, 291 million. Oh man. Chain CPUs, blocks per second, 25 blocks per second. Canister smart contracts, 12,387.06 gigabytes per month. 46 cents per gigabyte per month. Not bad. The internet computer blockchain only recently launched, but developer and entrepreneurial activity is exploding, and so are active users of their emerging dApps and services. Check out these examples. Fleek, blockchain version of Netlify. Fleek brings decentralized web hosting to the internet computer with thousands of web pages deployed. Fleek enables anyone to deploy their content on Web 3.0, and Web 3.0 is going to be a huge part of the future of the metaverse, blockchain technology, and just the future in general. The DSCVR, tokenized decentralized Reddit. What? DSCVR is a decentralized version of Reddit, where users are the owners. Decentralized end-to-end, built on internet computer, and accessible from any browser. Try it out yourself. No way! It's a decentralized Reddit? Oh my goodness, I have to go into that, guys. I'm gonna have to check that out on a maybe by myself or on a later video. And then you got District is a completely decentralized, community-owned professional network. Users of the platform will vote on upgrades, and no user data will ever be mined or sold. Create your account secured by internet identity today. Then you have Origin, NFTs for authenticating luxurious goods. Open chat, tokenized version of WhatsApp. So they have a decentralized WhatsApp now too. 51,000 users. That is pretty cool. I'm glad I invested in this one. This one might be one of my longer holds. Yeah, welcome into the metaverse. This has huge metaverse implications. Yeah, I am all in on Dfinity internet computer token. Well, not all in, but I have a nice chunk invested in it. And I think it was a very smart choice. So, yeah, if you guys like that, they have its decentralized Reddit. It has, you know, its own decentralized community-owned professional network. It has NFTs. It has basically everything that you could want in a ecosystem. This is a beautiful ecosystem. I love it. Dfinity, good job. 2 thumbs up from me. You are welcome to start coding on the internet computer. No more speed limits. This is for coders too. This is like deep. This is deep rabbit hole stuff here, guys. The Dfinity Foundation is a not-for-profit organization developing technology for the internet computer blockchain. They're headquartered out of Zurich, Switzerland. Okay, and have major research centers in Switzerland and California, and remote teams in places such as Germany, the UK, and the US. Our team of cryptographers, computer scientists, and engineers have collectively earned nearly 100,000 academic citations. We aim to create a blockchain singularity in which every system and service is rebuilt and reimagined using smart contracts and runs entirely from infinite public blockchain without the need for traditional IT. So it's all decentralized. It's a completely decentralized internet. That is what they are aiming to create and to implement. They've created it. They're just implementing it now. So now let's go back and look at the prices again and see, did I make a good price? Was this a good average price buy-in? Well, as you can see, this is how I made my decision. I looked at this year, so basically let's look at this week. So I went and looked at that, 51 to 37. Okay, we're right in the middle of that. So I guess I would have been better off buying here or anywhere like that, but I bought here. So this was an average for the week. Let's look at the month. It's actually quite low for the month. You know, if you look here, yeah, we're quite low for the month. And the average, yeah, we're way below the average now. So, okay, that's good. Let's look at the year all the way back here. So let's just start with this. Look back, okay, $60, $70, not that long ago, back in August and September, even when it was kind of a bear market, and we did go up to 50s there, and then back here in May, yeah, like I showed you earlier, we went to 750, 400, and then even before that, the 2s to 300s, and we're only at $44 right now. That's how I made my decision. I was like, most of the time we've spent over that price, I think it can go up, possibly even to that 750, if not higher again. So that's where I base my decision to purchase this at. I'm going to make some more purchases throughout the day and throughout the next couple of days, and I'm going to show you them, and we're going to make tons of videos. Please like and subscribe to all my videos that I make today. Well, like them all. If you subscribe, you only do it once, but and I'll bring you more and more trade videos, more making money, show you how to do it. Then you can do your own. This is not financial advice, entertainment purposes only, common sense, but this is for educational and entertainment purposes only. So, all right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!